So this is where I'll have my exhibition for the next month. Brilliant. Then we have here one of my paintings, one of the newer ones, and its brother. I don't know if you can see it here, it's a little bit dark. And Chad's absolute favorite, it is not for sale, as you can see. Some of my wooden rounds. A little kind of silly one that I did in one of Kathleen's classes in DC last year in May. And in here, my Gerhard Richter inspired. That one I also did in Kathleen's class, Nevada Cowlet. This is one of my favorites. The color doesn't show really the way that it should. Dreamscape. And this interesting piece called Venus and Mars. You be the judge why it's called that. This one I made for Chad's and my anniversary in 21 actually. So it was made on the day. And here, my 4 pieces that we normally have hanging in our bathroom in a row. But it was easier here to just put them like this. I still think they work like that, but I would like, if someone wants to buy them, I would actually like if they bought all 4, because they go really well together. And there's these 2, very monochromatic, made, when was that? I think in 20 actually. Then on the other side, my absolute favorite, that one. It is stunning, I think. This has a satin varnish. This one up here, as you can see, there's a reflection, has a glossy varnish. So I think that I've been sold on the idea of mostly doing satin varnish, because it really gives such a nice finish and not a lot of reflection. So that was the one. Here's a little piano. And there's my heartbreak that I did for a collaboration called After the Love Is Gone. So it was right after Valentine's Day. I don't remember if it was this year or last year, to be honest. There's my poster again, the backside. This one made for World AIDS Day last year. Love it. Dragon Heart. Then we go in here. Well, let me just show you the room here with the piano there. And we go in here. We have my little, love this little piece. It's not very big. It's 20 by 20 centimeters, but I love it. Very well there. And over here in the corner, they're just setting everything up. So this is early in the morning. It's not even 8 o'clock. A piece that I did in Sarah's class in DC, Ninja Swipe. So this is also done in Sarah's class, but Sarah Taylor's class in Texas. When was that? Last year in July, I think, or something. I get them mixed up. But that was Sarah's class. Sarah Taylor. That's Sarah Mack. This is just a silly little puddle dip that the curator thought was interesting enough to actually bring. So it doesn't say much to me, but yeah, that's for this. This one, Sunset. is actually one of my first attempts to do a Courtney Hirscher, Kathleen Osborne swipe way back. It's pretty cool. I really like it. This was done for World AIDS Day 21. It now has the name of Infinite Compassion because, yeah, of the history. Sorry about the glare and the lights. The wall colors here are not the best to my liking. This one was also done for World AIDS Day. That was my first one, but then I went with that one as the actual piece. But yeah, so same colors, just a different attempt. And in here we have a little glass room where we have some other. This one was also done in Sarah Taylor's class. I was about to throw it out because it really didn't do what I wanted to do, but it has really grown on me over the last year, so I actually really like it. This one, funny story. The curator came over and saw all the paintings that I had, and he said, "This one you definitely need to bring." This was my first ever attempt in fluid art pouring, so interesting. But, yeah. Here's my Mr. Right, there's a glare. Open cup pour. Then we have a little, very cute piece. I really love this one. It is not very big, but I really love it. I wish I could do this in, yeah, a huge canvas, but who knows? Maybe I will be able to. Unfortunately, I never videotaped this, so I'll record it. So I don't even remember how I made it. This was done in 19, I think, or maybe 20. And the last and not least, this is the one that's used for the poster for the whole event. This is was made for Pride in 21, and I really can't show you how good it looks because, as you see, I resined it, and it really depends on where it's hanging, how it shows. But yeah, so that's it. And then there's an exit from the cafe here, and we're back out on the street that is around the corner from. We live kind of just behind this corner on a huge square. So yeah, that's it. Bye.